Hello, welcome to My Life is Mathland channel. Today we will discuss about it is the 18th problem. In the 18th problem, they gave the f of x is equal to, it is a fifth degree polynomial, means a x power 5 plus b x power 4 plus c x cube plus d x square plus e x plus f. It has extreme values x is equal to 1, f dash of 1 is equal to 0, f dash of minus 1 is equal to 0. So I will use after. Now limit extends to 0. Limit x tends to 0, f of x by x cube means a x power 5 by x cube plus b x power 4 by x cube. So limit x tends to 0, it is x cube x square times x cube x times. So x limit x tends to 0, x square is 0. So this value is 0 and x is 0. Okay. Now x cube cancel. So the constant remain. It is a x square x, so 1 by x infinity form, so it does not exist the terms. If the limit is existed, those all values not satisfied. So here d is equal to 0, e is equal to 0, f is equal to 0, it will be satisfied. So d value, e value, f value 0. C is equal to, already limit existed minus 5, c is equal to minus 5. We got the c value. Now we will use the f dash of x is equal to, so always these all values is 0, only c value, a value, b value. 5a x power 4 plus 4b x cube plus 3c x square. So c value 5 minus 5 after submission, but it is extremum values are given. So f dash of 1 is equal to 0. There is equal to 5a x power 4 means 5a, 1 power 4 1, x cube 1 cube 4b, and x square 1 cube 1 square 1, so minus 15. F dash of minus 1 is also 3. A value is 3. Submit any equation. I will submit here. 5 3s are 15 plus 4b minus 15 is equal to 0. 15 cancel. B is equal to 0. So now f of x is equal to a x power 5. A value 3 x power 5. B value 0. Don't write. And c value minus 5 x cube. And d value, e value, f value 0. So it is the f of x.
After doing process, we will get
minus f of minus 2. There is equal to 56 minus of minus plus 56 is equal to 112. So the value is 112.